Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we've got something special for all you mechanical engineers out there. We're zeroing in on a huge opportunity in an industry that's, well, the backbone of our economy, rail. If you're skilled in heavy engineering and you're thinking about what's next for your career, you are definitely going to want to stick around for this. So, let's just jump right in. Are you a mechanical engineer? Got a few years under your belt, and maybe you're starting to wonder, okay, what's my next big move? Maybe you're looking for a job where you can actually see the impact of your work, in a really critical field. If that sounds like you, listen up. Okay, so here's the deal. There's a major, and I mean major, player in the rail industry that's hiring right now. We're talking about a real powerhouse in heavy engineering, a company that builds the very things that keep our country moving. So, who is it? Let's get to it.
All right, first up, let's introduce the company and break down this opportunity in the rail sector.
The company we're talking about is Texmaco Rail Engineering Ltd. These guys are giants in the rolling stock and freight car world. What does that mean? Well, they're the ones designing and building those massive, heavy-duty wagons you see hauling goods everywhere. And the big news is, they're growing their team.
And we're not just talking about 1 or 2 jobs here. They have 10 open positions. That's right, 10. This is a pretty significant hiring push for their Nymwag location.
So, what's the role? It's for a production engineer. This is a hands-on job. You'd be right there on the front lines overseeing the whole manufacturing process, turning huge pieces of metal into the absolute workhorses of the freight industry. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, next section. Let's talk about the ideal candidate. Is this you? As we go through what they're looking for, think about how your own skills and experience match up.
All right, let's look at the core requirements. First, qualifications. They're looking for someone with a B.Tech or a Diploma in mechanical engineering. Experience-wise, the sweet spot is 3 to 5 years. That tells you they want someone who can come in and get started right away, but who's also looking to grow with them. And for the industry background, while production experience is great, if you have experience specifically in rolling stock, that's the bullseye. Okay, beyond the big technical stuff, there are a couple of other key skills. First, you've got to be proficient in English. Makes sense, right? For communication with the team, for documentation, it's just essential. And, no surprise here, you'll need basic skills with the MS Suite, for all the daily reporting and planning that makes the whole operation run smoothly.
All right, last section, how to apply. So if you've been listening and thinking, hey, this sounds like me, what do you do next? Don't worry, they've made it super simple.
It's literally just 2 simple steps. Step 1, dust off that resume. Make sure you highlight your experience in production and especially in rolling stock if you have it. Step 2, just send it off in an email.
And here's the all-important email address. You're going to send your resume to recruitment@texmaconymwag.com. I'll just leave that up for a second so you can grab it, take a screenshot, write it down. Again, that's recruitment@texmaconymwag.com.
And here's a really important final tip. You got to move fast on this. Remember, there are only 10 spots available. This kind of opportunity is going to get a lot of attention for sure. So if you think this is the right move for you, now is the time to act.
So let's just end with this thought. This is more than just a job, right? It's not just about a title on a business card or checking off boxes on a list of requirements. This is a real chance to be part of something huge, to literally have a hand in building the future of how things move around our country. So the real question you have to ask yourself is this your chance to make that kind of impact?